down.
No, you're on Mummy's rider and Daddy's no, he's Daddy. I'll show you. Oh yeah, we saw her. She's like,
In half a mile, turn right.
We're in the Polynesian, which is very fancy, isn't it, Lyra? Do you like it? You like the fancy things?
She likes the finer things.
You like the finer things in life? But, you know, I can't say that's... what are they building over there? And bag of nipples up there.
What are they doing over there?
Imagine travelling into the airport with all that stuff. Look at all that. Bags of little bitty bags.
Where are we going?
You hate that.
I hate that.
Ooh, I like it.
What does a trip here cost then?
This is a normal card debit, I think.
Sorry. No, I mean, what does a visit? What? Go. Yeah, go on.
Lilo and Stitch.
Are you excited, Roxy? Are you excited, Lyra? I've got all your things. I'm going to try some.
You're so far away from me.
Pineapple coconut. That's what you get when you spend more money. You get bigger tables. Stitch pancakes.
Big old ham. Yeah, that's got it. Super. How are you? Oh, you can sit down, Roxy. Yeah, a photo, yeah. So much. What do you say, girls? Say bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
Mickey.
Water? Are we okay on
There we go. Yeah, just like yours, clearly. Yeah, that is idea. You said that Stitch would eat them, didn't you? Yeah. We called it.
And then just turn the page. One more, baby. Just turn the page.
What's your favorite album?
All right, great.
That's hard to describe. Everybody just say one and then you can just nod or something. What about
Hound dog.
Hound dog? Yeah! That's a good one.
That's it.
I like it. Oh, hello, Lisa. How are you? Hi. Thank you.
see Magic Kingdom Castle. And Lyra said, I feel like this would be a good place to watch fireworks.
This guy is
He's
fabulous.
like,
Fabulous.
Jumbo, everyone.
Which means, let's go! Jumbo, everyone. My name is Bree. I'm going to be your safari guide today. And that is a black rhino. Black rhinos are actually the smaller of the rhino species in Africa, averaging about 3,000 pounds. Pelicans. Those large gray and white birds may look gray and white right now, but during mating season, the feathers on their back turn a darker shade of pink. They will go out and catch their prey and bring it back and let the puppies eat first. There are going to be some Hartman's Mountain zebras. Now, there are multiple different types of zebras. No, you're going to... Oh?
No, it's...
right into
Even though
his
they're only
face.
about a fraction of the size, they can still weigh just as much as a giraffe. Right, there are some African elephants, world's largest land mammal. Grow at about the same rate as how humans do. That way with every truck I've ever had.
Oh, really?
I love the tomatoes. I don't know why.
Great, but like why?
Now these are greater flamingos on our left. These are ostriches. These are female ostriches specifically. You can tell because they have grayish brown feathers, whereas males will have black feathers. World's tallest bird, standing at about 6 feet tall. Females go out to hunt while the males stay back and watch the cubs. Probably why she's a little on edge right now. Yes, on your right there are some water buck, cute little antelopes that they are. It is a scientific fact that all water bucks have heart-shaped noses.
Oh yeah. Specifically that one.
If you don't know what a contact tamarin is, it's a very small and very cute primate. And you may be able to see some as their habitat is directly across from tree circumference. When I say very small, I mean they are about a pound each as adults. When I say very cute, I mean their hair looks like Einstein.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're making us go this way, so this is the right thing to do.
So, our Beast Delay Pep Rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. The elephant.
I'll take giraffes.
I'll take the lions.
I'll take the warthogs.
Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! What do you mean? I'm in a parade!
It's gonna be Simba's life. Simba's life is blue.
challenge. I tell you what.
Lower, go.
Warthogs and get your giraffes and your elephants. Your sections to range and we'll do the hard part.
And that part would be...
Where are they going?
Observe. See the melody. So, wait all day. So what do you say?
I think it's pretty clear the giraffes and the elephants won.
Laura's turned the poncho into quite a fashionable little number.
I'll become the star.
Good fit. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Good riz.
He's learning.
No.
Good riz. Good charisma.
I don't think it works if you then say the whole thing.
Yeah, it's just to clarify what I mean.
They're buggies.
Roxy's given up with life, I think.
So, can you put your thingy on?
I mean, I think Roxy will be happy if we just left her at this point.
She's left her here. We're going on a bus. On a train.
Do what?
So he said he learns like some sign language, and like he would see his neighbor, and he'd be like, "Can you take out my trash?"
Wildlife Express with service to Rafikis Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection-sided wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them.
When it comes to drawing any Disney character, I just love to make it easy for myself. Love circles, ovals, triangles, or rectangles. That's going to help you to draw this character a lot more easy. You have a nice little short cartoon with each other. You can check out like on Disney Plus or at the resort in your room. It's called a mini bow tie bow.
Oh, Roxy, that's awesome.
Got
You enjoying this, Rox?
collaboration with each other.
It's nice.
For our eyes. So we'll go ahead and just pull this around and bring this to the middle. If you need to remember these good moments. So put your name on it just in case if you do.
I love the eyes of that. It's really cute. That's really awesome. How you feel? You feel good? Feel amazing? Fun for you too.
Oh, thank you so much.
Cool.
That was so much fun.
Nice, big one.
Thank you. We're us too. We've never been over here before. So
Yeah.
It's been great.
Hey,
So,
we can do all the characters. So
Yeah.
we do this.
his face is hilarious. So, squash that on the floor. Yeah, next to that little boy is a brush.
Oh my god.
So soft, aren't you?
Hi.
He's got tongue in the dirt.
Oh yeah.
That.
Around my house, which is totally fine. But she gets to do whatever she would like to do pretty much throughout the day. So she can pick and choose.
Trying to go into Starbucks. He's like, get me a latte now.
Fishies too.
There's the little fishes too.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, they're really cute. What? I wouldn't recommend climbing down those stairs, Roxy. Cute.
Have a look around.
Give it up for Adam. Go down. What do you think, Boardwalk?
Yeah!
Adam's got it. Up high. Not that. Here's where things get tricky, though. Every which way.
I get it, Lillian. I get it. Jazz hands isn't your forte. Don't worry, though. We have plenty of other tricks, right? Yeah. We got other tricks. Hey, Lillian, I'm glad you didn't have them clap for that part. That would have been awkward. Whoa. We did it! God, whoa! Showing off those muscles. Break dancing on the boardwalk. Come on, y'all. Make some noise! Like I was saying, we're gonna have some last performance for you. We hope you have a great rest of your night. All right, here we go. Oh, nobody moves. Okay, great. Here we go. One hand. All right, now 1 foot. One back the other. Oh, all right, here we go. More than 1 foot left. One.
Where have they gone? I've lost them. I'm too busy taking pictures. I've lost my family. There they are. Back for test track, see if we can get this done. This is the last on the list, Lara, isn't it? It's the only ride we haven't done yet. So hopefully we're going to get this done. Everything's lit up. It looks awesome. Let's go! But the wait time's just gone up to 120 minutes.
That's mental.
It's going from 95 to 120 minutes. Oh, Lottie, I can't spend 2 hours in this queue line. Well, let's place a bet, shall we? Let's place a bet. The time is 8:30. Can't go through there. 8:30. Thank you. Thank you. Trash can. 8:25. So this is telling me that we're going to get out of this at 10:25.
Already the other day we queued
queued all around here.
Yeah, but you haven't seen the overflow queue line, yeah?
Maybe they did when it closed. For rain or whatever.
It'll be great if it's not, because it will prove to all the naysayers like what you've been saying this whole time. Because we did queue all around there the other day. I told you. I told you it won't be 2 hours.
If that light came to screw us over.
It's not going to screw us. It's not going to be 2 hours. Oh. We got, I think, round to about there. Didn't get far in. Right, here we go. Is this 2 hours of queuing? Let's see. Roxy, last question. Bluey and Bingo's dad is called Bandit. What does he do for work?
What does he do?
What's his job?
No one knows his answers.
I know that answer. I actually knew that answer. I didn't even have to Google it.
Chow chow.
Lyra wins.
What do I get?
Nothing.
So you mean I did all that and don't get anything?
It's just killing time.
I'm clapping the end of my class.
And now we set a course for the future. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
How are transfer?
Mummy's driving.
This is so different.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks. And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Yeah.
Sure. It's always fun to be free. And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else?
Here we go. This is the fast bit. This is a bit like Tron, okay? So we just went on test track. It was awesome, really different. But most importantly, what time is it?
Sir, not even 20 past 9 yet.
So it was like less than an hour. They quoted a
What? It's past 9 o'clock?
yeah. So the park is closed, but they quoted a 2-hour queue line for that. Mummy was right. Mummy was right.
Sometimes I'm right.
And that's just
was a risk,
that just concludes the queue lies.
Queue lies.
The queue lies rule. Oh, look at all these cars. Chevy.
Yeah, it's good.
It's like they've changed every part of it apart from the fast bit at the end. And the fast bit at the end was so cool at night because it was all kind of like dusky and smoky. Yeah.
They just finished.
The fireworks.
Shop. Yeah.
Oh, it's a shame. So we're gonna get caught up in all that.
Probably. But we're nearer the exit than normal.
Well, it doesn't matter. We've done it.
Yeah.
The fireworks have just finished. The fireworks. If the shop is open, I think we should go in the shop. What a good day it's been, eh?
Such a good day.
Yeah. Weird day. Weird, bitty
Well, it was an impromptu day. I'm not used to doing Disney like this, where we do something completely random to what's planned. It's kind of all down to the weather, but I'm okay with it. I do feel like I could probably still go on like 4 or 5 rides right now.
Oh, me too.
I definitely feel like that nap recharges you.
The nap helps, and I was thinking it's a shame that it closes at 9 because I feel like some of the other parks don't close at 9, and I feel like if they close at 10 or 11, we could do another couple more rides. But it doesn't matter. Tell me about Ohana's.
I liked Ohana.
That's how we started the day, wasn't it? It's 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah, I feel like it might be a little bit overrated, but the pineapple bread or whatever, coconut bread was delicious. I would go there again simply for that. And we got to meet Lilo and Stitch, which was really, really cool. It did feel quite rushed.
You focus mainly on the positives. I'll focus on the negatives because there weren't many of any other thing. But like, it was the first time I just felt like they were like, get out. Get out. They did.
They were very efficient.
It was just, and also all the other places that you feel their kind of positivity. This was not like that. It was like, yeah, sit down. Yeah, take this. It took them ages to get you a drink, and it was just all just like, it was all just a little bit like, get out.
I was expecting it to be better.
But the food was probably the best we'd had, wasn't it? Because you can imagine if you stayed there.
Polynesian was probably the better.
I don't know. I thought the food there felt like proper, like they'd been cooked. They'd cooked that all properly from scratch,
Yeah.
And I don't think I felt like that in any other place we've eaten. You get the impression that if you did fork out the money and stay in that hotel, you'd be eating really, really well in those restaurants.
Yeah. I think
every day.
Why they're rated so highly, because not everyone's going to do the kids meet and greet. Like they do normal food in there as well.
But like she might as well have lobbed that drink at me from across the
nowhere near you.
Across the room.
By me, and the table was so big, and it was just like
slam it down. Now drink it and get out.
Get out. Yeah.
But then
the kids really enjoyed it, and to be honest, it meant that then it actually was really good that it was efficient because we were in Animal Kingdom by 9.
At the bus ride, right? So remember, we ran for that bus.
Yeah.
Thank you. You too. I ran for that bus and made him stop or her stop, so we could get on, and then we got on. And we immediately got spoken to by a lovely American couple. Really nice. We had a nice chat. And then she ended up giving the kids like a lanyard and a load of pins. And
she was so nice.
They were so nice.
We know all about her family now, all about her daughters, where they live, what they do. And she knows basically everything about us.
But it just shows, doesn't it, that, the Americans are so good at like being so open and just like, so where are you from?
They always just want to chat. Like it's not.
Yeah.
There's no
and
motive behind it. They just want to have a chat.
And we automatically go introvert and don't want to speak.
Is it hot today?
Yeah. But it was really nice. So I just felt like that was all like a butterfly effect.
Definitely. And the kids can do some pin training now, which is amazing.
So like as you said, we hot-footed over to Animal Kingdom, went straight on Kilimanjaro, got a really cool driver and saw a load of animals.
And all the animals that you were expecting to see were there.
And just before the rain, which meant that then straight after we did Pocahontas.
And then we were like basically the last people before she went in because it started hammering down.
Then the rain came down and we were like a few minutes away from Lion King thing.
To Lion King.
And
it was 20 minutes from the show starting, and we just got in, I think, ahead of the crowds. And,
watch that show.
The kids got picked.
Kids were in it.
In the procession thing.
Kids were in it. We're just making them work hard now.
And then we went over to Rafikis Planet Watch, and again, just got in.
Just got into the animation class.
Yeah.
Which is great.